In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add sound recognition shortcut to your iPhone control center right here. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off head over to settings and then just scroll down until you find Control Center. Then scroll down again until at More Controls you will find Sound Recognition shortcut, and then in order to add that shortcut to the Control Center, all you have to do is just tap at the plus sign next to it, and that will move that shortcut to included controls, and that actually means that this shortcut has already been added to the control center. We can easily check that by swiping down from the top right corner. That will open up a control center, and that's where we can easily find the shortcut that we have just added. Now we can tap on it to use a sound recognition feature. If you want to use that, first off we need to enable it, and that will download all necessary files, and after that we will be able to use that feature by activating it from the control center. Also, right from here we can change the order of these shortcuts. All we have to do is just drag them up or down in that way, and that will also change the order of shortcuts at the control center. As you can see now, sound recognition shortcut located at the second position, and if we go back to control center settings, here we can also remove shortcuts from the control center by hitting at the minus sign next to it, and then all we have to do is just tap at remove. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.